Let's talk budget travel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Farhan Ola, and if you're anything like me, you have a serious case of wanderlust. That burning desire to explore the world, experience new cultures, and create unforgettable memories. Yeah, that one. But let's be real, travel can sometimes feel like a luxury reserved for those with bottomless bank accounts. Not true. Today we're debunking that myth and diving headfirst into the exciting world of budget travel. We're talking about smart strategies, savvy hacks, and insider tips to help you see the world without emptying your wallet. Because let's face it, the world is vast and waiting to be explored, and you deserve to experience it all without breaking the bank. So, if you're ready to turn those travel dreams into a reality, buckle up, grab your virtual passport, and get ready for an adventure. We're about to unlock a world of budget-friendly travel secrets that will have you packing your bags in no time. First things first, let's talk flights. Finding affordable airfare is like hitting the jackpot in the world of budget travel. It's the foundation upon which your entire adventure is built. But with so many airlines, routes, and fluctuating prices, it can feel overwhelming, right? Don't worry, I've got your back. One of the best pieces of advice I can give you is to be flexible with your travel dates. Sometimes shifting your departure or arrival by a day or two can result in significant savings. Weekdays, especially Tuesdays and Wednesdays, often have lower fares compared to weekends, and don't be afraid to explore alternative airports. Flying into a smaller airport just outside of your main destination could save you a bundle. Another game changer is utilizing flight comparison websites and setting up price alerts. Websites like Skyscanner, Google Flights, and Kayak are your new best friends. They scour the internet for the best deals, saving you hours of research. Set up price alerts for your desired destinations, and you'll be notified the moment prices drop. It's like having your personal travel agent working around the clock. Now that we've tackled flights, let's talk about where you'll rest your head after a long day of exploring. Accommodation can be another major expense, but it doesn't have to be. Gone are the days when your only options were expensive hotels. The rise of the sharing economy has revolutionized budget travel, with platforms like Airbnb offering a plethora of unique and affordable stays. From cozy apartments to charming guest houses, you can find a place that suits your style and budget. Plus, Airbnb often allows you to cook your meals, saving you even more money on dining out. Another fantastic option is hostels. Now I know what you might be thinking, cramped dorms and shared bathrooms? While some hostels do offer those options, many have evolved to include private rooms with en-suite facilities. Hostels are an incredible way to meet fellow travelers from around the world, and they often organize social events and activities, adding an extra layer of fun to your trip. Chapter 3. Eating your way around the world without breaking the bank. Foodie adventures on a budget. Let's talk about everyone's favorite part, food. Exploring local cuisine is an integral part of experiencing a new culture, and it doesn't have to drain your travel funds. In fact, some of the most memorable meals are often the most affordable. One of the best ways to save money on food is to embrace street food. From sizzling skewers to flavorful noodles, street food offers an authentic taste of local life at a fraction of the cost of restaurants. Not only is it budget-friendly, but it's also a great way to immerse yourself in the local culture and interact with the community. Another tip is to visit local markets. Farmers markets and night markets are treasure troves of fresh produce, local delicacies, and ready-to-eat meals. Stock up on snacks, ingredients for picnics, or grab a quick and delicious meal from a market vendor. You'll be amazed at the variety and affordability that local markets offer. Chapter 4. Transportation tips. Navigate like a pro and save. Now that you've mastered flights, accommodation, and food, let's talk about getting around your destination without spending a fortune. Transportation costs can quickly add up, but with a little planning, you can navigate like a pro and keep your budget on track. Public transportation is your best friend, especially in cities with well-developed networks. Trains, buses, and subways are significantly cheaper than taxis or ride-sharing services. Plus, they offer a glimpse into the daily life of locals. Many cities offer tourist passes that provide unlimited travel on public transport for a set period, making it even more cost-effective. If you're feeling adventurous, consider renting a bicycle. It's an eco-friendly way to explore, and it allows you to discover hidden gems at your own pace. Many cities have bike-sharing programs, making it even more convenient and affordable. And hey, it's a great way to burn off all those delicious meals. Chapter 5. Free and cheap activities, unforgettable experiences, don't have to cost a fortune. Here's the thing about travel. It's not about how much money you spend. It's about the experiences you create and the memories you make. And the best part? Some of the most incredible experiences are absolutely free. Exploring a new city on foot is one of the best ways to soak up the atmosphere, discover hidden gems, and stumble upon unexpected treasures. Create your own walking tour, put on your most comfortable shoes, and let your curiosity guide you. You'll be amazed at what you find when you slow down and truly experience a place. Many museums offer free admission days or discounted rates during off-peak hours. Take advantage of these opportunities to immerse yourself in art, history, and culture without breaking the bank. And don't forget about free outdoor activities. Parks, beaches, hiking trails. Nature offers an abundance of beauty and adventure, all for free. Outro adventure awaits. Start planning your budget-friendly trip. So there you have it, my friends. The secrets to unlocking a world of budget travel adventures. Remember, it's not about sacrificing experiences. It's about making smart choices, prioritizing what matters most to you, and embracing the thrill of exploring the world on your own terms. Whether you're dreaming of wandering through ancient ruins, relaxing on pristine beaches, or indulging in culinary delights, budget travel allows you to turn those dreams into a reality without breaking the bank. The world is waiting to be explored, and with a little planning and these savvy tips, you'll be well on your way to creating unforgettable memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you so much for joining me on this exciting journey into the world of budget travel. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more travel inspiration, and share it with your fellow adventure seekers. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep those travel budgets happy.